Before we dive into today's video, I want to express my concern for Tyler, also known as TD Bricks. I truly hope he's doing well and that his channel can recover from this staggering loss of views. The numbers are truly mind-blowing. TD Brick is, in the LEGO content world, what Mr. Beast is to the broader YouTube community. Personally, I find his content incredibly inspiring and enjoy his creativity. His channel is a shining example for many LEGO content creators to emulate. I often keep an eye on Social Blade for statistics that can help in content creation. So it was a shock to see TD Bricks losing a staggering 151 million views in the month of October. His content is known for being family-friendly and enriching, which makes this loss even more surprising to me. There is one thing I noticed, which is new or could be new to his channel, and this is the Mark for Children label on his channel. Could this be the culprit behind the drop in views? Before drawing any conclusions, it's crucial to consider the solid evidence. From my own experience and observations, when YouTube marks a video for M.A.S.K, it often leads to an immediate drop in viewership. It's as good as a death sentence for the video's performance. One aspect that plays an important role in this scenario is COPPA, the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. It's important to understand its impact on content creators like us. I will highlight two effects that will impact us greatly. Number one is the advertisement effect. The M.A.S.K label can significantly affect advertising on your videos, ultimately impacting your AdSense revenue. This is a financial concern that content creators need to be aware of. The second effect is comment disablement. When a video is marked as M.A.S.K, all the comments are disabled. This hampers the interaction mechanics for each video, which is an essential element of community building and engagement on YouTube. There's a sad possibility that some of TD Brick's videos may have been removed, hidden, or even deleted from his channel, which could explain the significant drop in views. This news is very disheartening for the LEGO community as a whole, as so many of us enjoy his content. In closing, I want to reiterate the sentiments expressed at the beginning of this video. I genuinely wish for Taylor's well-being and a swift recovery for his channel from this setback. The LEGO community, including myself, looks forward to more of his fantastic content. Our support and good wishes are with him during this challenging time.